Hello and welcome to traders and investors, and I'm glad to present you the daily market review prepared by analysts and experts from fx.co portal. Here we go. Here is Laurie Bailey with EURUSD currency pair forecast. Let's have a look.
The euro continues its movement toward the projected target of 1.1820, which is the upper boundary of the price channel. Yesterday's growth totaled 32 pips. Bears can reverse the trend only after the price consolidates below 1.1535, which would also mean a break below the MACD line. It's a blue line on a graphic. The Marlin oscillator is rising confidently. Today, May US housing sales data will be released. The forecast anticipates a 6.59% year-on-year slowdown. Additionally, the number of building permits issued is expected to decline by 2%. This could give the euro an additional boost of optimism and confidence. On the 4-hour chart, the signal line of the Marlin oscillator is forming a consolidation. Once this phase is complete, we expect the upward movement to continue. A break above yesterday's high at 1.1642 will serve as a confirmation signal.
And we're starting with pound sterling dollar pair with Tin Lao.
On the hourly chart, the GBPUSD pair continued its upward movement on Tuesday toward the resistance zone of 1.3611, 1.3633. This is already the fifth attempt to the bulls to secure a foothold above this area. A close above it would allow for expectations of continued growth toward the next Fibonacci correction level 200 at 1.3749. A rebound would favor the US dollar and a decline toward the 127% Fibonacci level at 35.27. The wave situation indicates the end of the bearish trend, which lasted just about a week. The last completed downward wave broke the previous low by only a few points, while the new upward wave easily broke the previous high. Over the past week, the bears occasionally received support from news from the Middle East, but the end of the conflict forced them to retreat once again. Tuesday's news background was rather weak, but that did not prevent the bulls from pressing forward. On the 4-hour chart, the pair reversed in favor of the pound and continued rising toward the 127% corrective level at 1.3795. The bears managed to close below the ascending trend channel, but the news background did not allow them to build at that excess. For now, further growth can be expected on both charts. No emergent divergences are observed on any indicator.
That's all for today. Wish you best of luck.